First, download your desired brush files from a trusted source. The links of the brushes used in this video are in the description below. Next, open GIMP and go to Edit's Preferences. In the Preferences window, expand the Folders section and click on Brushes. Click the folder icon to open the Brushes directory. Now, simply drag and drop your downloaded brush files into this folder. Finally, go back to GIMP and click the Refresh button in the Brushes dialog. And that's it. Your new brushes are ready to use. To organize your brushes to keep your workspace more efficient, go to Edit Preferences. Expand the Folders section and click on Brushes. We'll create subfolders within this directory. You can create folders for different types of brushes and move your brush files into these respective folders. This helps in categorizing and finding them easily. Next, go back to GIMP and click the Refresh button in the Brushes dialog to update the list. You can also tag your brushes for even better organization. Click on a brush, add tags that describe the brush. These tags will help you quickly find the brushes you need using the search function. And that's it. Now, to delete a brush, go to Brushes dialog, right-click on the brush you want to delete and select Delete Brush. If the delete option is grayed out, you'll need to manually delete the brush file from your system. Notice that deleting a brush file will delete the whole pack of brushes inside this file. To open the Brushes directory, go to Edit Preferences, expand the Folders section, and click on Brushes. Delete the brush file from there. Finally, go back to GIMP and click the Refresh button in the Brushes dialog to update the list. Or you can easily reach the brush file through right-clicking on the brush you want to delete and select Ho in File Manager, then delete the unwanted brush file. And that's it. Your unwanted brushes are now deleted. Thanks for watching.